In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up automatic updates for WordPress on Bluehost. Keeping your site up to date is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve security, fix bugs, and make sure you're running the latest features. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have WordPress updates happening automatically in the background with almost no effort from you. First, make sure you're logged in to your Bluehost portal in your web browser. This is the main dashboard that Bluehost provides for managing your hosting account and your websites. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in now so you can follow along in real time. Once you're inside the Bluehost portal, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical menu. From that menu, click on the option labeled Websites. This section is where Bluehost lists all of the WordPress sites that are connected to your account. If you only have one site, you'll just see that single site listed here. If you manage multiple sites, they'll all appear in this area. Next, find the specific site you want to update automatically. On the same row as that site, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Go ahead and click Manage. This opens up the management dashboard for that particular WordPress installation, where you can control settings, performance options, and of course, automatic updates. Inside the site management area, look toward the top for a series of tabs or sections. Click on the tab labeled Settings. The Settings tab brings together a range of important configuration options for your site. This is where Bluehost lets you fine-tune how your WordPress installation behaves behind the scenes. Once you're in the Settings tab, scroll down until you find a section called Automatic Updates. This is the key area for this tutorial. The Automatic Updates section usually includes separate switches for different types of updates, such as core WordPress updates, plugin updates, and sometimes theme updates, depending on how Bluehost has organized the layout. Now, to turn automatic updates on, simply toggle the switches from off to on. When you switch these on, you're telling Bluehost to handle updates for you, so you don't have to log in every time WordPress, a plugin, or a theme releases a new version. This can significantly reduce the chances of running outdated software, which is one of the most common ways sites become vulnerable. As you enable these options, consider your comfort level. Some people like to turn on automatic updates for everything, so the site is always fully up to date. Others prefer to allow automatic updates only for minor or security-related changes while handling major updates manually so they can test the site afterward. If you're not sure, a good starting point is to at least enable automatic updates for the core WordPress software and for security or maintenance releases. Once all the switches you want are turned on, your settings are applied automatically. There usually isn't a separate save button, but if you do see one, make sure to click it. From this point on, Bluehost will take care of installing those updates for you, helping keep your WordPress site more secure and better maintained with minimal effort on your part.